Hello, Windows Universe. This is Michael with the Windows Club coming at you with another quick hack to make your digital life just a little bit easier. In today's video, we're going to look at how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. Now, the nice thing about it is this tip will also work for the Facebook cover photo. So, you go to your Facebook page, and of course you know that you can update the photo. Now, I want to change mine, so I pick what I want to update it to. Now, when you pick your photo, when you upload it, it'll automatically be shared with all of your friends. So, if you change the picture, people will see this as an update. But you don't want people to see this as an update. You want to kind of just not notify your friends. You want the update to be private in your feed. For that, find the little globe sign next to the date and time and select as an option between public, friends accept, select only me. That's it. People will see the new profile picture if they interact with you, but they will not see that you updated your profile picture in their notification feed. And as I said earlier, you can also use this same tactic in order to change your Facebook cover. Now, if you need more information on this or other computing tips, visit thewindowsclub.com. And hey, if this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel, where we are always adding new informative videos to help you get the most out of your Windows 10 experience. Thanks for watching and have a great day.